Hey my lovelies! What is better than really good chicken wrap at the restaurant? I'll tell you the secret. Homemade chicken wrap. Yes, we're making today Lebanese chicken wrap. It's very easy to make. It requires just few ingredients, and we're making also Toum Lebanese garlic sauce. All the ingredients are on my website, and today I'll show you how I make it, how I wrap the wrap, and how delicious it is, and how easy to make. Let's get started. So I add to the blender garlic, and we need to pulse it till it becomes literally a paste. Then you can add salt. It will help garlic to break down. Just half maybe first. So, and then when it becomes a paste, you can see it's like a paste looking. So then we add a tablespoon of lemon juice, and we blend more. We add the rest of the salt. And then we start adding, alternating little by little, like tablespoon of lemon juice and a little bit of oil. Teaspoon of lemon juice, a little bit of oil. Don't rush the process. It looks like, oh, I'm just gonna go like faster with oil. No, it's gonna break and it's gonna be watery, so don't rush the process. It always has to stay consistency like this. So let's keep going, adding a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of oil at the time. And ta-da! Moment of truth. There you go. That's garlic sauce I'm talking about. Yes, look, thick, lovely, creamy consistency, and smells so good. All right, let's get to the wraps. Let's make chicken. Let's chop the chicken. You should be cutting in like strips because it's easier to get some browning, and it's easier to put in the wrap. It kind of holds in there rather than in cubes. All right. Let me wash my hands. For spices, I have 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of cardamom, 1 tablespoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of red pepper, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 lemon juice. So, and 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm gonna grate it, mix it all together, and put in the chicken. So everything is nicely coated. Let me cook really quickly on cast iron skillet, and I'll come back to show you how I wrap. wraps. So I have all my ingredients ready. I have garlic sauce we made earlier. I have red onion, tomatoes, iceberg lettuce, and some flat leaf Italian parsley. You never should be using curly parsley for any dish unless it's just for decoration. So, pita. What I have done here, I have opened up like this. How you do that? You take pita and you start just open up like this and just keep going. Every good pita has like a pocket inside. So you just want to open up like this. There you go. You open pita and then you can stuff it and it's closed and wrap like this. So how to wrap? I use 2 aluminum sheets. You can buy at the store pre-cut, or you can just maybe go with double piece of aluminum, just kind of similar size. So we put pita down. If we have some break pieces, that's fine, it just goes on the top. So we start with the sauce. Sauce is the boss. Good amount of sauce. Then we add generous amount of chicken. Then we add some tomatoes, some lettuce. Lettuce are really good because it gives you crunchiness and juiciness, and some parsley and some red onion. If you want to be authentic, you probably should be using some pickled turnip in wrap. I'm not a big fan of turnip, so I'm skipping that part. So, and then what you do, you kind of press tightly to make a shape. You close one side, you close other side, and then you start with wrap very tightly. You fold it, you wrap other side, and then on this side, very tightly, and you have a wrap. Let me put in my panini press and I'll be right back. Ta-da! Moment of truth. Let me cut for you. Actually, you can cut it, but what I like to do, the piece I wrapped on the top, look, it opens up. You do not open all wrap because it will fall apart, but you open up, maybe you tear a little bit, and that's how you eat it. Look, it's crispy, it has nice marks of the panini press, it's hot, and let's try. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. I have to go to eat my wrap. See you later.